Hi everybody, I'm Angela Fong and you're watching Knockout Fit. Today we're going to work on our oblique crunches, which sounds simple, but I think a lot of people forget them and they just do regular ones. So we're going to work on those today and get them nice and sculpted. To start, I like to lay on a mat, bend your legs one on top of the other, and go down on your back, just nice and comfortable, like this, hands right on your side. And you're just going to go up, hold for a second, come back down, up. Make sure you're tightening your core as you do this, and don't forget to breathe. Inhale on the way down, exhale on the way up. And then you can switch. And there you go. And this works right on the obliques. Girls for nice shapely waist, and guys for that really hot V that you know I'm talking about every girl loves. My name is Angela Fong. You're watching Knockout Fit. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for new tips every week. Thank you.